I'm Teresa Martins. I am Product Marketing Director here at Brookstone for audio and entertainment products, which are toys and games. This is our Inceptor, which combined with the Father.io app creates a world of virtual reality gaming for anyone who wants to play at home, outside, or in the city, for example. This is a really neat product because it's a combination of two companies that came together. We actually had the people who developed the app that comes with this come to us and say, we don't know how to develop the hardware piece to this, which is the piece that helps you go out and play the game in augmented reality. So the really cool thing about this game is that you can play as a single player, you can play with friends who are close to you, or you can play in the virtual community because you can hook up with people online. So not only does this require you to get up and move around as you play within the virtual environment, it also has different levels and different weapons, which make it a very strategic exercise.